the Aldabra giant tortoise. They live in grasslands, scrub areas, and mangrove swamps. They live on the islands of Aldabra in the Indian Ocean. They can weigh up to 560 pounds, and the average length of a giant tortoise is 4.5 feet. The oldest recorded giant tortoise is 152 years old. That's very old. These turtles like to eat grasses, fruits, and succulent plants. Just like many tortoises, they are very slow and steady, and very large in size. These tortoises are endangered, and we need to see how we can help them in their habitat to help make sure that they don't become extinct. So think of ways how you could help this giant tortoise not become extinct.